Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. To find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing you have to do is you simply want to make sure to come to Google WhatsApp, and here you want to go to account, and then you want to go to backup. You want to make sure to check your account where you are actually backing up. And after you've actually done it, so you want to exit out of this and go to the Google Drive and make sure that you open it up and select the particular account that is associated with your WhatsApp. And once you've changed or switched your account, click on the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen, and you simply want to go to backups. As you go to backups, here you'll be able to find the WhatsApp. Over here you could see this is here, and when you click on it, you should be able to find the WhatsApp back. So this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.